Next is what's in this cute little doggy bag that I got from Marshall's. What's going on, family? It's your girl Tish, and as you can see, I am back with another video. If you're new here, hey, how y'all doing? Thank you so very much for tuning into my channel, and if you're returning, you already know I love you guys so very much. We're about to get into this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned.
I wanna when I'm broken hearted, everybody, got nobody, so I do it so long.
Okay, family, so as you can see by the title, you already know what this video is. I am super excited because I have been wanting this for a while now, and it's finally come true. Yes, we are getting a puppy, and of course, he's a baby. He's only 2 weeks old right now. It is a he, and yeah, we're getting a puppy. I can't wait. So let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so these are some of the essential things that I thought I needed, or that I like saw videos, because I've been looking at like hella videos on all the things that new puppies need, and I got a couple of things from Chewy, Amazon, and Marshall's, and also Target, but I'm still waiting on more stuff. But I'm gonna show you guys what I have gotten so far. What should I start with? Alright, start with some items from Chewy. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, so in a lot of videos I had seen people buy this Nature Miracles odor spray, and this is for hard floors. We have hardwood floors in our apartment, so you want to pee? Spray, place to be. And again, I got this from Chewy. The next thing that I got was this Chi 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. You gotta wash your puppies, especially when they first come home. They're gonna be smelling like outside and all that type of stuff. So I got me some Chi 2-in-1 for dogs. I tried Chi for myself before, so I thought this would be a good brand for the puppy. So originally I was supposed to be getting a girl puppy, however things have changed and now I'm getting a boy. But I had already put in this order before I knew there were no more girls left, but it's still cute for a boy as well. And it's just this kind of like teething pig toy that has like some plastic rope on the side, then some other texture type toys, and it's a ball. I wonder, does it squeak? No, thank the Lord, it doesn't squeak. Squeaky toys, this can do. But I thought this was super cute, and this came from Chewy. So I'm super extra, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. And y'all already know this stuff. Y'all already know this. So I got this little squeak toy, and it's a big old yellow binky. And like I said, I can't do squeak toys, so I don't know how much he's gonna be playing with this. But it's super cute, and it's actually bigger than what I expected. The next thing that I have for the puppy is just some Nyla bones, and I heard that Nylon were really, really good, especially like when they're teething. So I got this in the chicken flavor and the original flavor. The next thing that I got was this bowl set with the silicone pad from Chewy. And I just thought it was really, really simple and cute. And I got it in gray because gray is neutral. So go for that. Moving right along, I went to two Marshalls. The first one that I went to only got like 2 things because they did not have a big selection. And then when I went to the other one, I was like, I should have just went here in the first place. Like, why you wasn't thinking? But from the first Marshalls, I got this just collapsible bowl, water bowl, and it has like this hook where you could hook it on to like a bag or something. And I just got this for like when we go on like long walks and stuff like that. You can have some water to sip on. Keep it in your purse or something. And then the next thing that I got were these Kong balls. Now originally, like I said, I was supposed to be getting the girls, so that's why they like pink and purple and stuff like that, but you can use them as well. Ain't nobody gonna judge them because I know I'm not. Next is what's in this cute little doggy bag that I got from Marshalls. As you can see, Marshalls. There's a lot of stuff in here, so let's get into it. So it would not be a dog haul, of course, without a doggy bag. Okay, a doggy bag, and this doggy bag is so freaking cute. Like, look at it. Yes, I got this from Marshalls. It is super, super soft, and it's just little. You can fit his little body in here and just have like a little pullover. I thought this was cute. Okay, this is by a company called Nicole Miller, New York. Okay, honey, Miss Nicole, you done did it. You done did it. My baby gonna be sleeping in style. Okay, thank you. And the next thing I got him was this basketball plush toy, and it has a little squeaker in it. Not feeling it, but I thought it was super, super cute. It's probably gonna be bigger than his whole entire body because he is really, really small right now. But I thought it was cute. The next thing that I got was this bone dry dog drying towel. It is microfiber. It feels like blanket material, so I'm gonna use it as his blanket. I know they say like when dogs are going to new homes and stuff like that, to bring a blanket when you get them so that the breeder can rub it on the mom and the litter of the puppies that are left, so that they will have the scent when they come to their new home and be comfortable. So this is gonna be for that. Next thing that I got was this dog clipper by Nana Dog Pet Gear, and it has a guard on the back, which I'm super, super nervous about clipping my puppy's nails, but groomers can get expensive, so sis gonna be doing it on her own clipper. This is also by Nana Dog, and it is a brush, okay? Shampoo, conditioner, brush. Get you a doggy brush, okay? This is by Nana Dog. I think I said that already. Get your life Tish. And it is not the brush that I originally wanted, but I'm super, super impatient and didn't want to wait for it to come in the mail from Amazon, so I just picked up a simple one. I think this is the last thing. Yes, the last thing from Marshalls that I picked up was some doggy wipes. Okay, because you going outside to use the bathroom and then you coming back in my house. You gonna wipe them paws, okay? Coronavirus. It's okay. The next thing that I picked up was from Amazon, and again, like I said, I'm still waiting on the rest of my Amazon order, but I just got this poop bag with the dispenser, and this is by Earth Rated in the scent lavender. And I went to Target, and I'm always like looking for puppy stuff now because I'm obsessed, and he's not even here. And I got the refillable bags in the scent lavender, and this is 120 bags by Earth Rated. And then the last 3 items I believe I picked up at my local grocery store, and it is just a simple rope toy. He really doesn't have too many rope toys. It has 2 balls on the side. It's very, very sturdy, so we're gonna be playing with this a lot to tire him out. I got him a bone by Bomb Bones, and this is chicken flavored. It stinks. Oh my gosh. But yeah, he only had those 2 nylons, so I thought he needed another chew toy because he ain't gonna be chewing up on my food. And then lastly, I got this little cute red simple collar in a size small, and it has some gray bones on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, that is it for my video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Plus hit that notification bell because you already done watched this video to the end. So that means you like what you see, right? I thank everyone for all the love, all the support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves. Mwah.